Good morning, everyone, and welcome again to another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. And today I want to speak about a skill that I learned a few years ago, and I've been doing for the last few months every single day. It's a meditation technique called the Vipassana. The Vipassana is one of the most powerful techniques that you will ever learn. But it takes a little bit of dedication, and the course in order to do it is a 10 days silent retreat. But the good thing about it, it's a retreat that takes 10 days, and you're completely silent and you use the power of your brain to focus and to concentrate. It's also free. You get to have accommodation and food and the course itself for free. And at the end of the course, if you manage to finish it, you might pay a donation if you are willing to. And the Vipassana retreats are found worldwide. I will send you guys the link, and you can click on it, and you find the country that you're from and see if they offer a Vipassana retreat or not. The good tip is that you need to book in advance, but it's one of the most powerful things that you learn about your brain, and I would recommend anybody to do it at least once in their lives. So try the Vipassana. It will help you no matter where you are, whether you want to be a digital nomad or you are in your office and you want to have a more appreciation in your day, a more better way of life. It will definitely help your quality of life improve. Thank you, and see you guys on another episode.